Everybody realizes today that we have to reduce carbon emission, which largely can come from the consumption of fossil energy, being it coal, gas or oil. And now finally we have a pathway to economically replace some of that fossil energy with hydrogen. Hydrogen you can have in multiple colors, being it green, black, gray, blue, turquoise, you name it. But in my view, hydrogen only has one color, which is green, made from renewable energy such as wind and solar. But electricity you cannot store over a long period of time, so you have to convert it into a storable energy carrier. And regardless what that energy carrier is at the end of the day, being it methanol, ammonia, hydrocarbon or a chemical, you will need hydrogen, and you will need a lot of hydrogen. Electrolysis is a key enabling technologies to make this happen. So today we have basically three different platforms, being it alkaline electrolysis, membrane electrolysis or solid electrolyte electrolysis. But all of them have advantages, disadvantages and gaps. We at Emerald over the past few years have reviewed over 100 companies as potential investment targets alone in this area. As I'm a very strong advocate of efficiency and cost competitive, we obviously look for the ones who do have a truly differentiated solution that can accelerate this decreased cost of hydrogen production. And I'm very confident that you will hear from us very soon. Stay tuned.